Let us talk about complications of gallbladder stones. See, basically it depends upon the size of the stone and number of stones as well. When I talk of size, so basically अगर किसी को stones हैं that are large in size, तो there is less chance कि वो migrate होके bile duct में जाएगा. In those cases, it can get stuck at the neck of gallbladder and cause cholecystitis. Gallbladder की सूजन हो सकती है and at times it can lead to perforation as well. If stones are multiple and small in number, it can pass through the bile duct, cystic duct, and वहाँ पे हम वो bile duct में again it can cause obstruction that can cause cholangitis या liver का infection हो सकता है, पीलिया हो सकता है, jaundice हो सकती है. अगर वो further move करके pancreas की तरफ चला जाता है, that is, and it causes obstruction of pancreatic duct, then it can cause pancreatitis. Now, pancreatitis due to gallstone is usually milder in nature in 80 to 70 to 80% of cases, but 10 से 20% में it can lead to serious complications and it can affect kidneys, lungs, and sometimes patients may even land up in ICU. Sometimes, rarely, gallstones can also erode into bile duct and cause fistula बना के bile duct में जा सकते हैं. Then again, fistula is conformed into intestines as well, or sometimes stones through those fistula can migrate through the intestines and cause obstruction later on. So these are some of the complications that can happen because of gallbladder stones. Therefore, it is recommended to undergo surgery in a plan. Thank you.